By the end of this video, you will know how to create a doc in Monday.com. Start by opening the Monday.com board where you want the document to live. This matters because the doc will be added as a view inside that board, so it is worth making sure you are in the right place before you continue. Once the board is open, look across the row of views near the top of the workspace. Next, click the plus button next to your current board views. This opens the menu for adding another view to the board. From the available options, select Doc. After you choose it, Monday.com creates a new doc view and opens it for you. If the workspace takes a moment to load, wait until the document area appears before moving on. When the new Monday doc opens, you can begin working right away. You can click into the page and start typing immediately if you want a blank document. You may also see options to start with AI or use a template. If either of those fits the way you want to begin, you can select one and continue from there. You can also insert board elements directly into the doc, including a table, a chart, or board values depending on the kind of information you want to include. After the document is open, start adding the content you need. Click the plus add button inside the doc to insert different content blocks. This menu gives you access to normal text, headings, bulleted lists, checklists, tables, images, widgets, page breaks, and more. Choose the block that matches the type of content you are placing in the document, then continue building the page section by section. If you are creating a longer doc, adding the right block first helps keep the layout organized as you go. As your content takes shape, use the toolbar to format the document. You can highlight text and apply formatting, create lists, add checklists, adjust styles, and insert links. The same toolbar also helps you organize the page in a way that fits the purpose of the document. If something needs to stand out, use a heading or list style. If information belongs in a structured layout, use the available formatting and content tools to arrange it clearly inside the doc. While you work, Monday.com saves the document automatically, so you do not need to look for a save button. Once your content is in place, share the doc with your team so others can view it, collaborate, and make edits in real time. That allows the document to stay connected to the board and active work around it, rather than sitting separately from the rest of the project. Your Monday doc is now created, formatted, and ready for collaboration inside your board.